believe that is a buck. The smaller one. Oh my God, and there's another smaller one. Boy, not the great big one that was here earlier, but a couple of smaller ones. Hi, buddy. I saw more over in the field, and I saw somebody standing up over there. I think there was a little jockeying or something going on. I don't know what to call it. A little asserting dominance or something. It's okay, boy. Come on in. It's all right. Come on in. I see these guys. Oh, goodness. That doe took off and startled the other buck. Dang it. But not this guy. That sucks, though, because he was going to come close. Oh, I always go the wrong way. Give me a 50-50 shot at anything, and I'll pick the wrong thing 75% of the time. Oh, don't leave, buddy. I was just trying to zoom in on you. Oh, dang it. Dang it.